young man looking at city and dreaming. Have you ever shared a big dream with everyone around you? Maybe you told your friends, your family, or even posted it online. For a moment, it feels amazing. People praise you. They say, "Wow, that's great." But something strange often happens. After some time, the excitement disappears. The dream slowly fades away. Why does this happen? Let me tell you a small story. In a quiet village, there lived a young man named Simon. Simon had many dreams. One week he wanted to open a shop. Another week he wanted to learn pottery. Then he planned to build a house. His ideas were always big. But Simon had one habit. Whenever he got a new idea, he told everyone in the village. He would walk through the market and loudly say, "Soon I will open the biggest shop here." People would clap. They would smile and say good things. Simon felt proud and happy. But the next morning, something changed. When it was time to actually start the work, Simon felt tired. The excitement was gone. Days passed, and the shop never opened. After some time, Simon had another dream. This time, he wanted to make beautiful clay pots. Again, he gathered people and announced his plan. "I will make the best pottery in the village." People praised him again. Simon felt wonderful. But just like before, a few days later, he lost interest. He never even touched the clay. This kept happening again and again. Simon talked about many dreams, but he finished none of them. Years passed. Simon started feeling sad and confused. He didn't understand why he always failed. One evening, Simon sat alone near the village well. An old man came and sat beside him. The elder was wise and respected in the village. He gently asked, "Why do you look so worried?" Simon sighed. "I have many dreams, but I never complete anything." The elder listened carefully. Then he asked, "What do you do when you get a new idea?" Simon quickly replied, "I tell everyone about it." The old man smiled. "Come to my garden tomorrow morning," he said. "I want to show you something." The next day, Simon went to the elder's garden. The elder held 2 small seeds. He gave one seed to Simon. "Plant this seed in the soil," he said. Simon dug a small hole and buried the seed. Then the elder took the second seed, but instead of planting it, he held it up in the air. He called some children nearby. "Look, everyone," he said, "this seed will become a beautiful tree." The children clapped and smiled. Then the elder placed the seed on a rock in the sun. Days passed. The elder quietly watered the seed buried in the soil. He said nothing about it. Slowly, a tiny green plant appeared. Week by week, it kept growing. Meanwhile, the seed on the rock stayed the same. The sun dried it. Birds pecked at it. Soon, it disappeared. One day, the elder said to Simon, "A seed needs silence to grow. It needs to stay hidden in the soil. If you leave it out in the open, it dries up." Simon suddenly understood.
The elder continued, "When you tell everyone about your dreams too early, something happens in your mind. You feel proud, as if you already achieved the goal. The praise from people gives you satisfaction, so your mind thinks the work is already done, and the energy to actually work disappears." Simon felt embarrassed. That was exactly what he had been doing. That night, Simon made a decision. He would start something new, but this time he would tell no one. Simon decided to build a wooden chair. He quietly started working every evening. No announcements, no audience, no applause, just work. Some days were hard. Some days he made mistakes, but he kept going. Slowly, the chair began to shape.
After several weeks, it was finished. Simon sat on the chair and smiled. For the first time in his life, he felt real pride. Not the pride of talking, but the pride of doing. One morning, his neighbor saw the chair. "Simon, this is beautiful. When did you make it?" Simon simply smiled. "I've been working on it quietly." Soon, people in the village started noticing his work. First a chair, then a table, then a shelf.
Years passed. Simon became one of the best craftsmen in the village, but he never announced his plans again. He only showed his work after it was finished, and his life completely changed. Now, think about your own life. How many times have you shared a big goal and then slowly lost the motivation to achieve it? Sometimes the best thing you can do for your dream is to keep it quiet. Protect it. Work on it in silence. Let your results speak for you. Because when the tree becomes strong, everyone will see it, and you won't need to say a single word.